I am Giridhar. I am working in Samsung India, Bangalore. So we developed a solution called real-time call translation. The main purpose is that whenever someone calls a Samsung device starting from S24, irrespective of the other party, whatever the language they speak, you can speak in your own language. So it gets translated real time. This is fully on-device solution. So the main aim of this is to break the language barriers. When you travel, when you talk with anyone, whatever the mode it is, you can communicate with anybody in the world without any barriers. So when we are developing this solution, we have found multiple challenges. If I can name it, in the call, it depends on the caller to the person whom you are calling, right? The first challenge is that the person who called may be in a different environment. He may be outside, he may be inside the mall, or he may be in even noise conditions, and he may be using some Samsung mobile or non-Samsung mobile. They may be using some landline, whatever it is. So we need to understand the environment. We need to try to kind of take care of those conditions as well. Second challenge is the network conditions. It could be a narrow band, it could be a wide band. There will be a lot of noise will be there, which can propagate over the network. Third challenge is that the person, when you take a call, you may be outside, you may be some kind of auditorium. There are a lot of acoustics play, so a lot of far field can happen. Another challenge will be that you may be taking the call with the Bluetooth, you may be taking with the headphones, or you may be taking with the regular call way. So all the acoustics we need to take care. Last and final challenge is the data. The person who called can speak in any domain. It's a wide variety of domains. It can be medical, it can be the tourism, it can be the technology. So we need to take care of all the domain terms, and we need to ensure that the technology works properly, whatever the speech goes on. So currently with the Galaxy S24, we launched the first version. Now we extended for the Galaxy Fold 6 and Flip 6. And now we are supporting 16 languages across the globe. That means the person from India can speak with anybody in the world, Europe or US or Thai or Vietnam, wherever you travel. So you can speak in your own language, English, India or Hindi, and you can get communicated easily. So we are planning to expand to 16 languages to multiple languages more. And also we are expanding to multiple devices in Samsung ecosystem. The beauty is that whatever the mobile other person using, you can work without any limitations. The main lessons we learned is, because this is on-device solution and call is very personal to the user, we don't want to leak any data to the server. So we completely develop on-device solution. So we need to take care that the models, starting from the speech recognition and the machine learning based on the neural translation, and also TTS, all models should work on the on-device. So we have to compress the models so that the user will not pay money for the RAM or ROM. Much of the expenses should not happen there. And also we need to ensure that latency is within the limits so that the call looks like it's a real time without any impact. So we have made the problem dissected and bisected into small segments. We solved each segment, and also we ensure that much of this data is made synthetic way, so that we don't need to kind of make a very cumbersome or expensive when making a solution. It can be scalable as well.